Hey guys, this is very interesting question. A number is increased by 10% and then decreased by 10%. What is the net percentage change? Right. Step 1, understand what's happening. We start with a number. Let's call it the original number. First, we increase it by 10%. Right. Second, we decrease this new number by 10%. We want to find the net percentage change from the original. Step 2, the problem with a concrete example. Since percentages work the same for any number, let's pick an easy number to work with. Let's use 100 as our original number. Why 100? Because percentages of 100 are easy to calculate. 10% of 100 is simply 10, right? So step 3, apply the first change, 10% increase, right? Original number equals 100, right? Now 10% of 100, 10% of 100 is equal to 10, right? After 10% increase, then 10% increase equals 100 plus 10. 100 plus 10 equals 110. Step 4, apply the second change, 10% decrease, right? Now we decrease 110 by 10%. Important, the 10% decrease is applied to 110, not to the original 100, right? So 10% of 110 equals 0.10 and of times, right? And 110. So equals, multiply 0.10 times 110 equals 11, right? After 10% decrease, okay, 10% decrease equals 110 minus 11 equals 99. Okay, 10% increase equals 110 equals 110, and 10% decrease equals 110 minus 11 is equal to 99. Calculate the net change. Okay, final answer. So final answer 99. Final answer is equal to 99, right? And original number is equal to 100. Now change 99. So change is equal to 99 minus 100 is equal to minus 1, right? Minus 1. Now convert to percentage change, right? So formula, percentage change formula. Okay, percentage change formula is equals change, right, divided by original number times 100%, right? So equals change minus 1, right? Minus 1 divided by original number 100, right, times 100%. Now minus 1 divided by 100 is equal to minus 0.01 times 100%. Now multiply minus 0.01 times 100% is equal to minus 1%. The answer, the net change is a 1% decrease.